Hello everyone, have you PinChat today? Here we're gonna teach you how to set up the permission of advanced features for guests. You can control two permissions for guests: the permission of exporting chat log and the permission to set up the push notification via email and SMS. Here we go. First, select Basic Settings, then Chat Room Settings, and Advanced Settings here. So you can see here are two kinds of options you can choose to turn it off or turn it on, including display more setting buttons for guests who are not logging. Another one is enable export chat log option for guests who are not logging. Let me turn off both of them and let you know about how it works. If we turn off both of them and click Save, then you'll see there's nothing here remain. If we keep one of this to display more settings button for guests who are not logging and try to save it. Let me reload it. After the reloading, you'll see users can edit their notifications via SMS or email. And they can also download the app of PinChat. And what if we enable them to export chat log option for guests who are not logging? Click Save. Refresh again. All the guests, they can do the exporting of chat. They can download it or get the email by the .txt file. That's so simple. Configure your PinChat link to fit in your business scenario.
PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.